Hi pioneers, let me first wish you a happy new year 2025. I have so many things to tell you for December and January. Stay with me, we'll get into it in a second. Looks like Santa stopped by Rouen University Hospital in early December. Our product team deployed Galeon there. The medical staff couldn't be happier. And as for 2025, we are planning the next deployments. We'll keep you posted, of course. Other news from December and January. We took part in the CHU Health Tech Connection Day in Lille, an event dedicated to connecting health entrepreneurs with hospital and university institutions to discuss innovation, societal challenges, and local and paramedical initiatives. Another key event, one we couldn't miss, the RESAH 2024, the must-attend meeting for the healthcare and medical social sector. And to wrap up the year in style, what better than a raclette to create lasting aromatic memories and keep the team well fed? Here are some little souvenirs in pictures. One last piece of news. Galeon is taking legal actions against the tender process of the Savoie-Belley Territorial Hospital Group for the renewal of its EHR system. We are actually challenging a process that favors large corporations over younger. In fact, 80% of the tender score was based on revenue and workforce size. 80%. These criteria exclude startups that offer solutions truly tailored to hospitals' needs. We are therefore calling for a reform of tender procedures to ensure fairer competition, putting caregivers at the heart of the decision-making process. And the verdict is still not known for now. This year actually kicked off strong for 8 of us who braved the chilly 5 degrees mornings in Vegas to attend the world's largest tech expo. Quite simply, yes. The expo kicked off with a bang. Monday, January 6th, 5:45 a.m., we jumped into an airport shuttle for Geneva, still half asleep. That was just the beginning of a 15-hour journey. A dramatic arrival in Vegas, followed with 3 hours stuck in customs. Unsurprisingly, we were not the only ones landing for CES that day. And to top it off, 3 suitcases went missing in Amsterdam, including mine, and our beloved mascot Oscar's, who quite literally got turned inside out. A skeleton at customs, even in plastic, doesn't go unnoticed, right? Otherwise, CES is just massive. By the numbers, nearly 150,000 visitors this year, over 4,500 exhibitors and multiple venues, including one dedicated to major brands. Plenty of chances to get lost in the aisles of the Venetian Hotel, which actually we did more than once. And what did we notice there? Health innovation will be all about AI. Hey listen, we are preparing an after movie that will surely make you laugh. Well, we hope. On the crypto side, 3 things. First, a word on ATLANTIS. A huge thank you to everyone who has joined our app. We already over 2,000 users and counting. For those who aren't familiar with it yet, ATLANTIS is a bridge between Web3 and healthcare, allowing people like you and me to make an impact on health systems by investing in the future of healthcare. And of course in Galeon. Beyond that, the platform lets you track your investments and statistics, earn gems and exclusive rewards, get up to 200 euros when you refer friends. And this is just the beginning. 200 euros, not bad, right? I'm dropping the link below. 2 last things to check later. A podcast on the Behind the Chain channel where Mathieu shares his vision on the Galeon revolution. 30 minutes of insightful discussion on decentralized AI training, the role of blockchain, and some Web3 entrepreneurship tips. A must listen. Also, an Ask Me Anything live featuring Loïc, Mathieu, and their host Crypto Goku, diving deep into Galeon. The links are in the description below.